Broccoli rabe health benefits, uses, side effects, and nutritional facts. Broccoli rabe, also known as rapini, is a leafy green vegetable with small broccoli-like florets. Despite its name, it's more closely related to turnips than to broccoli. Known for its slightly bitter taste and tender texture, broccoli rabe is a staple in Mediterranean and Asian cuisines. Packed with nutrients and antioxidants, it offers numerous health benefits. Here's a comprehensive guide to broccoli rabe's health benefits, uses, side effects, and nutritional facts. Health benefits of broccoli rabe 1. Rich in antioxidants, broccoli rabe contains powerful antioxidants, including vitamins A, C, and E, which protect cells from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Supports heart health. High levels of potassium help regulate blood pressure, while fiber lowers cholesterol levels, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. 3. Promotes bone strength. Broccoli rabe is an excellent source of vitamin K and calcium, which are essential for maintaining strong bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 4. Boosts immune system. The vitamin C content in broccoli rabe strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight infections and illnesses. 5. Aids in digestion. The fiber in broccoli rabe promotes digestive health by supporting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. 6. May reduce cancer risk. Like other cruciferous vegetables, broccoli rabe contains glucosinolates, which may have cancer-fighting properties. These compounds help detoxify carcinogens and protect cells from damage. Improves eye health. Beta-carotene and lutein in broccoli rabe support eye health by reducing the risk of macular degeneration and maintaining healthy vision. 8. Supports detoxification. Sulforaphane, a compound in broccoli rabe, aids in the body's natural detoxification process, supporting liver health. Uses of broccoli rabe. Broccoli rabe is a versatile vegetable that can be used in various culinary preparations. The sauté salt broccoli rabe with garlic, olive oil, and red pepper flakes for a flavorful side dish. Steam it lightly, steam and season with lemon juice and olive oil to preserve its nutrients. Add it to pasta, mix broccoli rabe with pasta, olive oil, and parmesan for a simple, nutritious meal. Stir-fried, use it in stir-fried dishes with tofu, chicken, or shrimp for added flavor and nutrition. Soups and stews, add broccoli rabe to soups and stews for a nutrient boost. Pizza and sandwiches, use it as a topping for pizzas or a filling for sandwiches and wraps. Side effects of broccoli rabe. While broccoli rabe is generally safe, some individuals may experience side effects. 1. Digestive discomfort. Contains natural compounds that may cause gas or bloating in sensitive individuals. Cooking can help minimize digestive issues. 2. Goitrogens. Like other cruciferous vegetables, broccoli rabe contains goitrogens, which may interfere with thyroid function in those with iodine deficiency. Cooking can reduce goitrogen levels. 3. Allergic reactions. Rare cases of allergies to broccoli rabe have been reported, causing symptoms like itching or swelling. Thank you for interaction with blood thinning medications. Its high vitamin K content may interfere with anticoagulant medications like warfarin. Consult a doctor if you are on such medications. Nutritional facts of broccoli rabe. Here's the nutritional breakdown of 1 cup at 85 grams of cooked broccoli rabe. Calories to 9. Protein 1.3 grams, fat 2.2 grams, carbohydrates 1.21 grams, fiber 1 gram, vitamin C3, 30% of the daily value is a DV vitamin, add 20% of the DV, vitamin K over 110%, folate 15% of the DV, calcium 10% of DV, iron 8% of the DV, potassium 5% of the DV. Broccoli rabe is low in calories and fat but rich in essential vitamins, minerals and phytonutrients, making it an excellent addition to a healthy diet. Conclusion: the broccoli rabe is a nutrient-packed vegetable with numerous health benefits, from supporting heart and bone health to aiding digestion and boosting immunity. Its slightly bitter flavor adds depth to a variety of dishes, and its versatility makes it a favorite in many cuisines. While generally safe, individuals with certain health conditions should consume it in moderation. By incorporating broccoli rabe into your diet, you can enjoy its delicious taste and enhance your overall health. Don't forget to subscribe to the Balanced Medicine channel, like the video, share it, and leave your opinion in the comments section.